Hey everybody, I wanted to talk through updating your WordPress plugins today. I know it's probably the #1 issue that comes up with my clients that they don't like doing for themselves, but it's actually the most important thing that they can do on a regular basis. I recommend updating your plugins once a week. You can do it once a fortnight, but the reason I recommend updating on a regular basis is because plugins are the most vulnerable part of your site, and most of the updates to plugins are security updates. So they're patches to stop people being able to hack into your website effectively. So it is a really, really good idea to update your plugins on a regular basis. So there is a logical order for updating your site, and it's plugins first, then your themes, and then if your server doesn't do it for you, then updating your WordPress version. So I like to update my plugins through here. So in your dashboard, go to updates. This allows you to do it in bulk quite quickly if you have more than one plugin that needs updating. So this one here, actually something that I should delete. I don't even use it. And I do recommend deleting plugins that you don't use on a regular basis. This is my testing site, so I kind of play around with things. Right, that's updated. And I see Divi have released a new version. So I'm a couple of versions behind. Look, it's really important to update your themes as well, again for security, but also additional functionality, especially with something like Divi or Elementor. They're regularly updating the functionality and what you can get out of their themes. So it's a good idea to regularly update them, and then you're getting the most out of those products. So we want to update our theme. So some of you might notice that you've got several themes excuse me, on your site. You only need the theme that you're using and your child theme. And I would again recommend a child theme. So whether it's 2017, Flow Themes is a really popular one, Elementor, whatever theme you're using, make sure you use that. You have your child theme and delete the rest. So WordPress will install generally with 2017 as a default and a couple of other themes. Delete them, get rid of them. It just helps keep up the performance of your site. So there's your themes updated. That's it. It is that simple, and it's something that I recommend you do on a regular basis. So you'll see here I've got the latest version of WordPress installed. If I didn't, I would still do plugins first, then themes, and then WordPress, always in that order. That's it. Nothing else to do.